Welcome back. In this video, we'll try to understand ASME SA387 and its requirements. ASME SA387 is a specification for chromium-molybdenum alloy steel pressure vessel plates designed for high temperature and high pressure applications. Properties: number one is excellent high temperature strength, then excellent weldability and oxidation and corrosion resistance. Then applications of SA387: used in pressure vessels, used for oil and gas, petrochemical and power generation plants, and also used in industrial boilers and heat exchangers, as well as in storage tanks for fluid, especially where source service or corrosion resistance is required. Advantages is high temperature strength, withstand elevated pressure and temperature due to the presence of chromium-molybdenum. Number two, excellent corrosion and oxidation resistance, provides durability in corrosive environments, especially where sour gas or acids are present. Good weldability and formability, can be easily fabricated into complex shapes for various vessels and equipments. Next is long lifespan in demanding service, that is maintains mechanical properties and structural integrity under prolonged exposure in harsh conditions. Some disadvantages are there. It's not suitable for cryogenic service, it's more expensive than carbon steels, and requires careful handling during fabrication because heat treatment is required to achieve the desired properties. Now we'll see the equivalent grade and the temperature limitations. For grade 11 of SA383, there is EN grade 10028-2 specification. Grade is 13 chrome moly 4 to 5. Temperature limit is 649 degrees centigrade maximum. That means we can use these plates for pressure vessels where the maximum temperature is 649 degrees centigrade. For SA383 grade 12, equivalent EN is same grade as grade 11. Temperature limit is 593 to 600 degrees centigrade. Equivalent of grade 22 is grade 10 chrome 9 to 10 moly, can be used up to 600 degree centigrade maximum. Equivalent of grade 5 is 12 chrome moly vanadium 12 to 10. This can be used above 649 degrees centigrade. Equivalent to grade 9 is grade X12 chrome moly 5. This also we can use above 649 degrees centigrade. Now we'll see the requirement of specification SA387. Specification for pressure vessel plate alloy steel. The alloys are chromium and molybdenum. This is identical with ASTM specification A387. Then we'll go to scope. Scope says this specification covers chrome moly alloy steel plates intended primarily for welded boiler and pressure vessels designed for elevated temperature services. There are around 9 or 10 grades. Plates are available under this specification in several grades having different alloy content as follows. These are the grade number: grade 2, grade 12, grade 11, like that. And then second column is nominal chromium content, which is from 0.5 to 9%, depend on the grade. And molybdenum content is very low, maximum 1, minimum 0.5. Previously there were 9 grades of this specification. There was one more grade called 911. Now this 911 is covered by A1017. All these grades are available in 2 classes depending on its tensile strength level. Now the reference documents: A20 for general requirement, A370 for methods of mechanical testing, A435 is for straight beam UT, 577 for angle beam UT, 578 is straight beam UT for special applications, and A1017, there is a grade 911. Previously it was in A387. Then electrode classifications also from AWS, A5.5 for SMAW electrodes, A523 is for SAW, and A528 is for GTAW process. General requirements like supplementary information, ordering information, etc. are available at A20. Steel making practices, steel shall be killed steel. Heat treatment is very important. Except grade 9(1), all other plates shall be thermally treated either by annealing, normalizing and tempering, or when permitted by purchaser, accelerated cooling from the austenizing temperature by air blasting or liquid quenching is allowed, followed by tempering. Minimum tempering requirements are given here. They grouped the grades in the 3 categories, and the temperature is given here from 620 to 705 degrees centigrade, depends on the grade. Heat treatment of grade 9(1) plates have got some special requirement. Shall be thermally treated either by normalizing and tempering or by accelerated cooling from the austenizing temperature by air blasting or liquid quenching, followed by the tempering. Grade 9(1) plate shall be austenized at 1040 to 1080 degrees centigrade and shall be tempered from 730 to 800 degrees centigrade. Chemical requirement shall be as per table 1. This is table 1 for chemical requirements. In the first column, chemical elements are given: carbon, manganese, phosphorus, like this, up to nitrogen are different requirement for heat and product analysis are given, and then for boron and aluminum to all this till tin, these requirements are same for product and heat analysis. And the other columns for grade 2, grade 12 and so on, and this S50460 is UNS number for grade 2. Similarly, K11757 is the UNS number for grade 12. And then there is a note A. Note A says carbon content for product and heat analysis 0.15% maximum. But there is note A here: the carbon content of the plate thickness more than 125 millimeter, the carbon content can be 0.17 on the product analysis. For this product analysis, it can be 0.17 if the thickness of the plate is more than 125 millimeter. Also, you can observe that from element nickel, vanadium to up to end tin, all these requirements are only for these last 3 grades, higher grades, grade 9, grade 9(1) and grade 9(1) type 2. There in grade 9(1) there are type 1 and type 2. Remember this. Because grade 2 we have got tungsten, copper, antimony, arsenic and tin are there with the very less percentage content from 0.05 to 0.03 to 0.1% max. Now about metallurgic structure, austenitic grain size. Grade 2 material shall have a porous austenitic grain size. Then mechanical requirements, tension test. There, as per the table 2 and the table 3, we'll see both the tables. So this is table 2, tensile requirement for class 1 plates. The other table is for class 2 plates. In class 1 plate table, all the grades are divided into 3 categories. These are the category 2 and 12 grade, 11 grade is separately done, and grade All the rest of the grade 22, 21, 5, 9 are in the one category. This is the tensile, yield, elongation in 2 inch and reduction of area given. Reduction area given for only last grade, grade 21, grade 22 and 5 and 9. And then for table 3, tensile requirement for grade 2 plates. Here these are categorized in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories on the grades. Grade 2 is grade 2, 11, 12 and 9 1 is separate. And grade 21, 22, 5 and 9 is separately done. Here are the tensile strength, yield strength, elongation and reduction in area. Again, reduction in area is for these categories, grade 21, 22, 5 and 9 only. Then there is a list of supplementary requirements below. I hope you understood SA 387 specification and its requirement. I think we have covered sufficient commonly used pressure vessel plates up to now. Next, I will start videos on stainless steel plates, starting from effect of chemical elements on stainless steel. If you like the content of this video, please like and subscribe my channel and share your knowledge among your friends. Thank you.